There's a lot of confusion between stretching and yoga. Are they the same thing? Are they different things? Which one is better for me? So in this video, we go over the differences between stretching and yoga, and hopefully, by the end of this video, you can decide which one is best for you. Now, when it comes to stretching, we're talking about simply elongating your muscles. This could be done through a variety of movements. Could be holding a certain position, or a movement for a period of time, like 10, 20, 30 seconds, or even all day long if it's a static stretch. It could also be done with a bouncing type of movement, where you sort of rocking back and forth, or even a combination of both. And typically when we're just stretching, we're not holding our breath. We're breathing normally through the movements. Yoga, on the other hand, is more than just a physical movement. Yes, there are physical postures involved, but it also includes your breath. It includes your mind, and it includes your spirit. So it's a combination of three things. It's physical, it's mental, and it's spiritual. Now, there are different types of yoga. So the intensity and the level can vary widely depending on what style of yoga that you're redoing. Some forms of yoga, like restorative yoga, will be very relaxing and very slow-paced. Other forms of yoga, like power yoga or vinyasa flow, will be much more intense and fast-paced. So the level of intensity can vary, but the combination of breath, body, and mind is still there. So now that we know the difference between the two, let's talk about the benefits of each. And again, we'll start with stretching. The benefits of stretching are pretty straightforward. It can improve your flexibility, it can reduce muscle tightness, and it can increase your range of motion. In addition to that, it can also help with recovery because you're elongating those tight muscles that might be causing discomfort. Stretching can also improve your posture by elongating those tight muscles and also by increasing the strength of those underactive muscles. Lastly, it can be a great warm-up before a workout because it's gonna increase blood flow to those muscles and also get you in the mindset of moving your body. The benefits of yoga are going to be a little bit more vast. Like I mentioned earlier, it's not just a physical practice, it's also a mental and spiritual practice. So some of the benefits are going to reflect that. Of course, yoga can improve your flexibility and balance, but it can also reduce stress and anxiety. It can improve your sleep, and it can increase your energy. Some studies have also shown that yoga can improve symptoms related to depression. And lastly, yoga can also help you become more mindful and present in your body. So hopefully by now you understand the difference between yoga and stretching, and you understand the benefits of both. So how do you decide which one is right for you? Well, if you're looking to improve your flexibility, if you want to elongate those tight muscles, and if you're looking for a quick way to warm up before a workout, then stretching may be perfect for you. If you're looking to improve your overall well-being, if you want to reduce stress and anxiety, improve your sleep, increase your energy, then yoga may be a better option for you. Ultimately, both stretching and yoga have a ton of benefits, and both can be a great addition to your workout routine or your daily life. Personally, I enjoy doing both. I like to do yoga in the morning to help me wake up and get focused for the day. And I also like to incorporate yoga and stretching into my workout routine. If you're interested in learning more about yoga, I highly recommend checking out a yoga class at your local gym or studio. Many places offer a variety of different styles of yoga, so you can kind of find the style that fits you best. Same goes for stretching. If you want to learn more about stretching, or maybe you want to learn how to properly stretch, then I highly recommend checking out a class at your local gym, or even doing some research online to find a good stretching routine. Alright, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you follow for more. And if you guys have any other questions or comments, leave them below. I'll see you next time.